First, we enter the backend, open machine door, click the settings, go to Brewer 1, action control, maintenance, and press OK. Then just take off this plastic ramp by unscrew this knob and lift, put it to the right. It will be taken off. Then how to take off this brewer? 3 point. First one is a black silicone tube. Yeah, so put your finger back of this tube and then push it towards you. Yeah, you can feel like it was unlocked, and then take it off. For the white Teflon tube, so the switch is here. By press this white ring and use your another finger to pull out the white Teflon tube. Last one is this connector. Just unplug it, and then the trigger is here. It's a little black plastic one. Also put it towards you, and then it will release. You can take out the whole brewer unit. Keep this rubber, don't miss it. So the filters we need to change, we need to swap is one here and another one at this point, at this position. So there are 2 screws at the center of the filters. So many rubbers inside, so we're gonna swap both filter, one big, one small, right? Get a long screwdriver. The size is PH2. Then unscrew this one first. Alright, the filter comes out, and then we compare these 2 filters. Okay, choose the correct one. And if we can just take off this O-ring, it should be better to replace them at the same time. Also, we compare the O-ring. Should be this one. Let me check. Yep. Then install it on the presser. Okay. Then install back the filter. I will use the original one because mine is not worse. Then install it back. So there is something I want to note is when you screw the filter, don't press it too hard, don't screw it too tight. Just to see the screw is at the same level with the as the filter, then stop. Don't screw it too tight, otherwise it will be unshaped. And then once this moves, when this cylinder moves, if the screw is too long or too short, the unshaped filter, it will stop the cylinder move and then affect the coffee grounds extraction. Yeah. All right, for this one, it's the same step. The same step, use your screwdriver inside and take off. So for this one, it's a bigger size filter. You need to swap. There are two knobs here, left and right, both sides. So the position are here. Put it in position and then push it. Then you can hear a click. It means installed properly. First, we connect this plug and the white Teflon tube. Just insert it. Just insert it and make sure it won't lose. For this black one, so make it like point to the 5 o'clock and insert to the hole underneath. Then push it to the end. Push it to the end and push back. It went to point to the 3 o'clock. That means you install properly. Okay, next install this rubber. And make sure coffee grounds can goes down. Then install back this ramp by insert to this point and then screw secured the ramp. Okay, then we're back to the screen. Or back to the ES Brewer. Brewer Y action control goes to initialize.